My name is Yifei Zhao. I've been flying drones since 2011. Back then, I was working in the film industry with my husband, mostly in nature filming. But our vision wasn't just in the scenery. We wanted to add dynamic camera movements. So our camera bag weighed more than 20 kilograms. And that was considered lightweight with crane and sliders. So one year, I turned to Alex and said, there's got to be an easier way. How about let's try a flying camera? We would have unlimited range and possibilities. Plus, I'm sure a drone would weigh less too. So we started with a simple quadcopter and then moved on to the DJI at 550, which was a hexacopter. I mean, if you flew that today, it would be very challenging. But back then, taking off for the first time and seeing the bird's eye view, it made the day and night difference. Later, when DJI released the Phantom 3 Pro, now that was the game changer. We took it back to the same filming spot, this time with only 2 kilograms of drone gear, and captured a shot that we could never achieve with the traditional camera gear. From there, we joined the drone department in IATSE, the film union, and we became the go-to team for very complex film projects. Downtown Toronto, highway closures, even through explosions. That's when we were approached by the largest college in Toronto. This time to take our experience and help others explore drone technologies through training. Every time seeing the students' breath taken away with their first flight, it was very rewarding. I'd say we were very fortunate to explore the drone industry at a very early stage. And now, we're even more fortunate with more and more people adopting drone technologies to work with them through training and research and continue push drone technologies forward.